Hey, SpiderWayne here, and if you remember a while back I did a test where I showed that there was a lot of noise in my GoPro camera. So I think I found something out and I'm going to show it to you right now. So let's see, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and turn my camera on, and I'm going to go ahead and press record, and I'm going to show footage from the GoPro camera next. But let's go ahead and start up the Phantom. Let it cycle through again. Okay, here's test number 2. Start up the camera. Hit record so we can tell if there's any noise in it. And I'm going to start up the Phantom. Let it cycle through. Okay, so what happened was when I did my first video, I had realized that I had that noise in there, and so I put the video out. And then a little later, I went camping at the beach and I did some more recording, and I realized when I was reviewing the video that there was no more noise, or the noise was gone. So I started poking around, and it turned out that I have 2 GoPro Black Hero 3s. Hero 3 Plus Black versions. I have 2 of them. This one allows noise into the GoPro. This one does not. Now they both have different SD cards, but I swapped out the SD cards. That didn't make a difference. So the only thing I can figure is that there's something not quite right with this one. It's probably like a bad shielding issue or something, a ground or something. The camera works fine, everything works fine, except that it does allow noise in it, and this one doesn't. So, and they both have the same firmware already in them, and it didn't make a difference. So I contacted GoPro, and they wrote back to me and said, you can do a software update and see if that fixes the issue. I did that, it didn't change anything. Then they said, unfortunately, we are very familiar. I think they meant we are not very familiar with this third-party product to be able to troubleshoot it. You may want to contact them and see if they know more about this. So that's all GoPro had to say about it. I don't see it being a Phantom issue. It has to be something with some of their cameras. So if you have one that has noise and you bought it recently and you have a warranty, or you got the extended warranty, swap it out. If you don't, you're probably just out of luck, unless you are gutsy enough to open it up and maybe try to shield it yourself and fix it. And if you do, put a fix up, let us know. We'd all like to see it. So maybe one day I'll go in there and do it myself. But for now, that seems to be the only thing I can come up with is get another GoPro. It's an expensive fix, and it's not a very good one. So anyway, SpiderWayne here. Talk to you later. Bye. This is Yeti from Sea Cliff, California, and I'm here with
Veronica
and
Haley,
and we're gonna play